Welcome to this course, Introduction to Robotics. This is a lab course that includes the manipulation and the programming of robotics. Unit 1, Introduction. Install Python and the Python Robotics package. Syllabus. In this course, we will introduce how to model, design, and doing experiment and manipulate a robot. So we include 4 units. Unit 1, Introduction, about the hardware and software environment. Unit 2, Kinematics, about the mathematical model of the robot. Unit 3, Sensors and Vision, how to provide control and feedback system. Number 4, Motion Control, how to move your robots. So this course covers a wide range of robotics topics common to many robotics classes, including forward and the inverse kinematics, sensor, vision, feedback, and motion control. So we have theory and practical hands-on experience. This course involves programming in Python and C. Python mainly for modeling, C maybe for the control of robotics. It is helpful if you have some experience in these programming languages, especially with the mathematical programming, numerical programming, matrix, algebra, and multi-variable calculus, trigonometry. All of these topics in the course lead to a building and programming and manipulate a robot. We are using X-arm robot as our example robot model. Unit 1, Install Python and the Python Robotics. Python Robotics is a package. Objective. In this section, we are going to talk about how to install Python interpreter and idle, Python graphic framework, Python scientific package, and the Python robotics. These are needed for the Python programming modeling for robotics. Section 1, Installation.
Let's install the Python. We will install Python interpreter, PyDev on Eclipse, and some other side packages. First, you need to come to this official website, python.org, and then you can find the download link over here. There are 3.6 version and 2.7 version. Because the 2.7 and 3.6 are not backward compatible, so I would suggest to pick this 3.6. But for some legacy issue, some of the programmers may prefer this 2.x versions. So now let's pick this 3.6 version. And there are a lot of improvement compared to the 3.6 and 3.5. And we need to pull down. And for Windows, I would like to install the 64-bit version. And I would like to use this executable installer. So I will click and then download, but I have already downloaded one version to save time. So just click here and it will be download. The download may take about 10 minutes. So I have finished that. I will find the executable file. In my download directory, I have already downloaded this copy for the installer. So just double click it. And you can install now, but it will be set to this path. I don't like this path. And you need to add the Python 3.6 to the path. So you need to click here. I need to check the customized installation. And you need everything right here. So click next. And right here, I would like to install for all users. And download the debugging symbol and the binaries. And I don't want to install here. So I would actually install it at C, Python, and Python 3.6. The reason I want to install here is because if I download it at the program file side, then every time I want to install some side package, it will complain because you will have the right permission issue. I would like to avoid it, so I would download to this side. But I don't want to put it at Python 3.6 directly because if it is under C drive, Python 3.6, then if I want to install some other version, they cannot be coexisting over there. So I would pick Python/Python 3.6. Now let me click install. And then click yes. It will start the installation, and I will be back later. And now the installation has been completed, so I click close. The next thing I would like to do is to click control panel. Now you can start it from here, control panel, and then select system and security, and then select system. And then you click advanced system setting, you will get this window. Then you come to the environment variable, and right here you try to find the path. And then this is the path, and click edit. So right here, as you can see, your Python 3.6 has been added over here, and the Python 3.6 script had also been added over here, so it's okay. I checked it already, so click cancel, and click cancel, and close this window. The next thing we would like to do is, you can click Python right here, and then the interpreter will be bring up. But that's not even convenient. So the next thing is, I will try to teach you to write a batch file that can be used as an executive, but it's a single Windows script. So basically, right here you have a Python W, that's a Windows version Python, and we need to execute Python W to execute this idle.py. And this idle.py is actually in the lib, and in the idle lib, and right here you have this idle.py file. So we would like to add this script under this Python /Python 3.6 directly. So you just write this in certain text editor, and then save as all file, and then Python underline idle, and then .bat. And then it's created. Now I can actually run it. So it will not only bring up the interpreter, but also a shell. Now let me new a file, and then let me try to type div main, and then I'll try to print and type main. This is the simplest Python program called Hello World. Let me save us. And then after that, you click run, and then run module. And as you can see, it prints out the Hello World. So you can try on yourself. Here are the different basic GUI packages that I would like to introduce, including the tkinter, but this is included in Python 3.x. And then Pillow, it is a fork for PIL, Python image library, but it is more advanced. So we would install this Pillow. And then we will show you how to install two packages. One is for the Pygame, and the other one is for the Python. Now, let's look at the Pillow installation. For the instruction about the installation of Pillow, you can come to this webpage. And in fact, here it has a lot of information regarding the Pillow package. And you can scroll it down, and right here, it will show you the Pillow installation is quite easy. You just type pip install Pillow. Let's go back to try it. So you must bring up your command line window, and right here you type pip install and then Pillow. Then when the installation is completed, it is successfully installed. The next thing I would like to show you is to install the Python. And to install that, you can come to this Pygame website, and it has the Python information as well. and scroll down to here, it will show you the release information about the newest version. So I would like to click this one. And then here has the download link. Let's click it. And right here, it will show you how to download it. Basically, you just type pip install Python. That will install it. Let's try it. In the same directory, when you install your pillow, type pip install and then Python and then hit return. And the Python is successfully installed. The next graphic tool I would like to install is the Pygame package. You just come to this pygame.org and then you click Get Started. And right here, it will have a link saying Pygame installation. Click on it. So it is quite easy. You just type python-m pyinstall pygame --user. Let's do it. You can basically do it on the same command line window here. So type python-m pip install pygame --user. So it is successfully installed. The next package I would like to show you is this graphic.py. That is a graphic package written by John Lehner. He has a good book on Python, so you should come to this website and I will show you how to install it as well. To install the graphics.py, it is quite easy. You simply come to this website and then click graphics.py. And then it will show you this Python file. Then you right click and then save as. And then you choose your drive, go to Python for your installation directory for your Python and then click lib. And then there is a directory called site-packages. Click it. And I already have this graphics.py installed here, but basically you come to here and then save it. And I don't want to replace it because I have the version already. So in this way, you will be able to install it. Now, let's bring up PyCharm. Different IDE may have different features, and PyCharm may update your libraries. So it's updating a lot of things right now. So let's try this. Let's click New Project. And then right here, let me type in a project called Graphic Test. Create. Right here, I already have one Python file that uses the graphics module. So let me create in my PyCharm environment. Let me create one file. Let me put in the same file name, food file graphics. And then click OK. Then I copy the whole thing over. And then hit Run. So it needs to input something. Let me put initial value, initial principal of 1,000, interest rate of 0.01, and it will show you the graphic chart right here. So let me enter to quit the window, and let me run again. Initial principal to be 1,000. Interest rate, let me put 0.1, and it will show you the future value by accumulating the interest using this program, and it is using the graphics.py from John Lera's website.
Regarding the installation of scientific package, including NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib, IPython, Jupyter, Pandas, SymPy, and Nose, you can use pip install to install it. Now, I'm going to demonstrate how to install CVXPy, Convex Pi. First, go to your Python installation directory. Hit Window R. Bring up CMD command line. Click OK. Then click CD space. And then come to your address bar. Click left mouse click. Copy. Come back to your black window, the DOS prompt. Right click. Hit return. So now you are in your installation directory of your Python. Type dir, and then right at this location, you type pip install, then convex cvxpy. Hit return. Now the whole package has been installed. Thank you. Bye now.